In this video, I will explain whether Cash App works in the UK or not. First, visit the official Cash App support page to review their policies about international usage. If you have a cash card, you can use it for international transactions. The UK is not listed among the restricted countries, meaning you can use your cash card there. Cash App mentions that other features besides using the cash card are only available within the United States or the United Kingdom. These features include sending peer-to-peer payments, adding funds to your Cash App account, cashing out your balance. So, based on the official information, yes, you can use Cash App in the UK. All standards, features like sending payments and managing funds should work while you are in the UK. So that's it for the video today. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.